Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set gradient outline to text in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show set gradient outline to text. Now, firstly, going to the home menu option, then select, then click for a draw text box. Now draw text box. Now type a text. Then select from text. Now resize your text size. Now going to the text box tool option, then click for format option. Now click for text outline. Now we show the interface, then click for shape outline effect option. Then we show the new interface, then select from gradient line option or select, then from other interface, then select from color. Now first color, then from color, then select from a red color. Second color from choose. Now I'm choose from yellow color. Then third color choose. I'm choose from green color and choose from black color. Now widget option. Now select from 3. Now click for OK. That's it. Then again widget from resize, then click for widget, then select that it's. Now you can see set gradient outline to text in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for